Depew from Granite City, Illinois. Oh, that's the best air of the night, and the wheel comes off. The right front has come off. Great air, but it cost Eldon Depew.
No, he's not stopping. He's not going to stop. 3 wheels. He's still going.
Eldon on 3 wheels.
He's becoming the king of sick air. In Pontiac 2 weeks ago, he must have been 40 feet in the air. We showed you that leap earlier tonight. He's not going to stop. Well, he's going to get a donut. Yeah.
Nice job by Eldon Depew, who on his initial run knocked the right front wheel off. And this is a veteran monster truck driver. Now you're seeing the experience come into play.
He knows he can make that truck go that way, and he knows how special it is to these fans when he does it. He still had 40 seconds left on the run. That's going to hurt him a little bit, but what a special run for the veteran, the former world champion, Eldon Depew.